Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python program to find the sum of all of its digits of a given positive integer and count the number of the digits. So here let's begin. Let's take input. This in here we'll take the number as input and that will be an integer. Then we initiate here a while loop. Sorry, n is greater than 0. 4 indentation spaces and then rem, that means remainder. I'll explain it later, and this will be treated as an integer. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're finished here. So here, let's give you an example. If the given positive integer is 563, let us consider that, and we divide it by 10 and take the remainder as our first digit. Then we divide the quotient part by 10 and again take the remainder as our second digit. Similarly, we get our third digit, then we add each of the digits to finally have the answer, which is 5 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 14. And in here, first we give the system an integer as input, and then we initiate a while loop which will run until n is greater than uh, it will run for as long n is greater than 0. Okay, so then here rem is equal to this rem is remainder, and that will be here in percentage sign is this percentage sign means it will calculate the remainder. The n will be divided by 10 and will take the remainder as an integer. That means if the remainder comes as decimal, then we will take only the integer part and will not consider the decimal part, and then we'll add that remainder to a sum which is initially 0, and it will be added term by term for each loop. And then this here we initiated a counter here which is primarily 0, and for each time the loop runs this counter will added by 1. Okay, so and after all this the new n, the value of new n will be will get the new value of n by dividing the previous value of n by 10, and this double slash means dividing by 10 and taking the only integer part. That means if there is a number which is decimal will only consider the integer part. Okay, so then after that we print the sum and number of the digits. So let's run this. Okay, let's, oh, I saved. Yes, we save it in here in desktop and change directory desktop python demo. Let's say 563. Okay, here is the result, and let's say 16, right? So it works, and that's it for today, folks. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any question or if you have any request, then you can comment below. And if you like this video, please share and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like it. And it will it will give me a great inspiration if you uh, give your feedback about what you think about these videos. So that's it for today. Goodbye.